Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Snapchat in PC. So if you also want to log in Snapchat in PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in web.snapchat.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Snapchat. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. Here in this interface, you'll be able to find several options like search bar, stories, spotlight, chat, lenses, etc. You can also download the Snapchat application if you want. But if you want to log into your account, it is very simple. For that, all you have to do is enter your username or email address. Simply click on this box that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is enter your username or email address. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. Or you can also use phone number instead. Click on the option use phone number instead. After that you'll be able to log in with your phone number. Now after you enter the credential, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your password. So simply enter your password over here. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. Now you can go ahead and use the Snapchat in PC. So that is how you log in Snapchat in PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.